must have listened about 100 times. Are you spelling something out? And I wanna say that by the time I hit track 9, think I had it figured out. But you keep me guessing. How'd you do that? We only talked once. Now I got questions. Is it too much to say? I can't get enough. Now I got your playlist on, thinking about you with no clothes on. Boy, I got your playlist on. Until you come over, I'ma hit restart.
Get moving and halo, make me talk and we'll do. All my friends are talking, but I don't give a shit. Just let me by step. Sorry, didn't pick the food, I'll walk your step. I'm wondering now, where is your wings? Tremble lips and blurry eyes and your pink cheeks. And we should make better plan, then actual dead in time for you. You never say for sure. I wanna know how you think and feel. Moments stubbornly facing the daylight. Promises broken, but we all make mistakes. When will you come home? 'Cause I really, really, really don't wanna be alone. Hey, when will you come back? Oh, it feels so good to laugh about it. Looking for answers in my fucked up fantasies.
Dance like no one's watching you. Can't stop moving, moving. The heat under your feet keeps you grooving on me. Walking through the city lights, reaching for some new heights. The burning fire ignites the healing of my inner side. You just want